All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to attach your tow hook to your Toyota Rav4. This should be the same for all Toyota Rav4s between 2013 through 2018. First thing you want to do is find your jack. Usually this is in the back of the car by your spare tire, but with the jack you're going to see this. I'll bring it up yourself so you can see. It's a big metal loop that you're going to screw into your actual car itself, okay? And you'll notice that on the Rav4 there are two circles on the front bumper here. It's the same for newer Rav4s as well, but rather than circles, they're more rectangular. And you're going to want to get a flathead screwdriver and you pop that off. I actually was able to use this tool with the that came with the jack. But if you have a flathead, that probably would work better. But it's just worked just fine enough. So I actually already did the other side, so here. So as you can see, there is a little piece of plastic to keep this from falling off. It stays right there. And you push this through until you get to where it needs to go, and then you just screw it righty tight. When you get towards the end, what I like to do is I like to use this piece of metal and do the last half turn or so, full turn, however much you can with that, just because I want to make sure that's really, really tight. You can use either side, but it really depends on how you want to tow your vehicle, how it's attached to the other vehicle that's actually pulling. Really depends on the situation. So thank you for watching. If this is content you like, please like and subscribe. Thank you.